furnace here. I did already predetermined that the flame sensor is bad. It was giving out port 0.4 millivolts or milliamps DC. So I'm gonna go try to clean it. Let's look at it here for a minute. So let me get it out of my thing. So here we go. So here it is. It looks like it's in really good shape otherwise, but you see the oxidization on there, really white. So we're gonna try to clean that. 000 fine Rhodes American steel wool, grade 000. This is super fine, which is about what we want to clean this very gently. So let's go ahead and grab me a piece. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna kind of get that off of there. Just work it until that gets clean. All right, here we go. So let's go ahead and put them back in. All right, let's get off in here. All right, so that looks under bright lights. Looks pretty good, a lot cleaner. All right, let's put them in. So basically, it's gonna go back in like that, come back until it's gonna be right in front of that burner where it's gonna sense the flame. It's kind of hard to see in that little spot right there. Let me see if I can shine a little bit more light in there. It's really hard, kind of hard to see, I know. But let's fix that. All right, so first things first, let's put lead in. Put one test lead into the one side of the circuit here. And then here we'll just kind of touch it right there in that test circuit's place right there. And we're gonna go ahead and set our meter to milliamps, like so. All right, and let's go ahead and hook it in there. All right, so we got all that ready. Milliamp setting, ready to go. We got the lead set. This is going to measure our amperage. So we're going to go ahead and flick the power on. And the swap. All right, here we go. We're going to do the test. Turn them on. All right, here we go. We're going to be measuring to see how much milk. Once the flame turns on, we'll start registering milliamps here. We had 0.4 before, which was not really a high enough amount to keep it going. Here goes the igniter. Okay, now we're looking for the flame to go in just a minute from my own gas controller. Oh, ooh, look at that, 3.3 milliamps DC, much better. That's what we need to keep it running. Oh yeah. Before it was 0.4, and that's way below what it needs. It needs at least 1.5. It's doing 3. It's pretty good, pretty strong. That's strong enough to keep it running. It can range anywhere from 1.5 to 6. It's right in the middle. That should keep it rolling. Definitely should keep it rolling. And we got a good heartbeat down here. It likes it. Alright, yep, that's good. Alright, so here we are once again. I went ahead and plugged that back in now that we know we got a good amperage check on it, on the flame sensor. Let's watch it go through its sequence once more. So far as lights saying it lights everything. goes the igniter. Just waiting for the gas controller. And the flame sensor will tell it, hey, we're good to go. We got a good flame. As you can see, it's sitting in the flame just right. You can't see in there. Let me see. Kind of hard to see, I know. Let's see if I can get a little more light on it. You can see it right there. That little flame sensor sitting in there. It's a lot cleaner. And it's giving good voltage. Okay, we'll just wait for the blower to run. We'll let it run for a minute. Once that blower kicks on, we should be good to go. Okay, here relay. There it goes. Other thing was the filter was bad too. As you can see over there, really dirty. Put a new one in, so that's going to help with everything. And there we go, it's working.